Hi, now I'm going to show you how to create a macro in Excel. Let's go to Excel. Okay, this is my Excel. Okay, how to create a macro. Go to view, macros. Okay, you just click macro. Okay, then you write down the macro name. For example, this is my first macro. Okay, once you put, it will also have option to all open workbooks, or this workbook or which workbook. So just put all open workbooks, create. Okay, it will pop up the VB screen to say the sub and end sub, and it will give you the space for you to write and create your own macro coding. Okay, then you will have save. It will be saved. For saving a macro to a Excel sheet, for example, okay, let's do a simple thing here. I put a message box. Okay, MSD box, which is message box. I just put hello God. Okay, this is my first macro. I just save it. Okay, it is telling that this macro feature cannot be saved to EXCELTRICS. It has to be in XLM, because EXCELTRICS is macro free workbook. So what we need to do is we need to change the file name to XLM. Change to XLM macro enabled workbook. Then the macro will be saved with the Excel sheet. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I close this one. We created the macro already. You can see view macros. You can have a macro here and run it. Hello God. You see, macro is running. So this is the way you can create your own macro and write your own VB code. Okay, thank you.